This AI automated channel has around 1.84 million subscribers on YouTube, and its most popular video has around 9 million views, with estimated average earning of around $500 per day or $15,000 a month, with the highest income in a single day being almost $2,000. And the most interesting part about this channel, it is totally managed using AI, and you can start it too. And in this video, I intend to start a similar YouTube channel using only AI by automating the entire creative process from script writing to voiceover to video production and not investing a single dime. So let's start by creating a channel. For the name, I used ChatGPT and gave a prompt, some names for a short motivation YouTube channel. Mindset Momentum. For the videos I want to make, I like this one. So name is done. Now for the channel logo. For this part, I used Leonardo AI, an open source AI art generator. I used a simple prompt motivated by illustrated image. Here this one stands out for me. Now for the banner part, I opened Canva and just made a simple banner, something like this. Now the channel is created. Then onto the pre-production or script writing. I started by planning my content for a specific group of audience who want to be motivated through stories. For this video, I chose Monkey King as my main character, and the story and the motivation revolved around him. Again, I opened ChatGPT and asked for some motivational tales about Monkey King. Once upon a time, in a mystical land of ancient China, there lived a mischievous and charmistic monkey named Sun Wukong, also known as the Monkey King. Now onto the voiceover part. For this, I chose Play.ht. It is a very powerful open source AI text-to-speech translator with ultra-realistic voices. I then copy-pasted the story from ChatGPT to Play.ht. Here, I can select from many realistic voice options from the given voices that can be used from storytelling to narration.
Once upon a time, in the mystical land of ancient China,
I preferred this one. Then generated the previews, and I downloaded the voiceover and saved it. Next up, the video production part. For the video production, I first opened Leonardo AI and wrote a prompt for a background that is something like this, including a negative prompt. I kind of used my whole art knowledge for this creation, but you can write a simple prompt like Monkey King in the sky, hyper-realistic 3D image, watercolor, dark theme, from which you can get something like this, which will be totally fine. Then I opened CapCut. You can use any free video editing tools from the web, which will be fine, but I prefer this one for this video editing because it is really simple and I can get more control on what I'm doing. Also, it is highly effective and has AI generated captions. Here I'm gonna use the picture that I downloaded as background and import the sound, then the captions. There is an option for the subtitles in the text tab. After some tweaks and basic fixings, your video will be ready. Now to the thumbnail and the title part. I once again opened Canva and selected YouTube thumbnail tab. Here I used the downloaded photo as the thumbnail, and for the phrase in the thumbnail, I once again opened ChatGPT and asked for phrase ideas for my video. The prompt was something like this. With that, I also prepared my title idea for the YouTube side by side in ChatGPT. Now paste the phrase in the thumbnail and copy the title part, and now video was ready to upload. Here is a side by side comparison of the video, but first I request you to subscribe.
Once upon a time, in ancient China, there lived 3 old monks. Their names are not remembered today, simply because they never revealed them to anybody. In China, they are simply known as the 3 laughing monks.
once upon a time, in the mystical land of ancient China, there lived a mischievous and charismatic monkey named Sun Wukong, also known as the Monkey King. This legendary creature possessed incredible strength, agility, and intelligence, making him the most powerful being in the entire kingdom.